Chapter 1, Lesson 10, Comparing Real Numbers. I'd like to say that this lesson is just as easy as Lesson 9, and it is if you get a really good handle on these 5 vocabulary words. These are the words that you definitely need to know in order to do anything on this lesson. First word is natural. Natural numbers include the counting numbers. That's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way through. Whole numbers, all of the counting numbers, and 0. They decided that 0 isn't a natural number because for a long time people didn't view it as a number. They just thought of it as nothing. An integer, all of the whole numbers and their opposites. So numbers like -2, -5, 18, 100 are just a few of the many integers. Rational, any number that can be written as a fraction. Even if it doesn't end, it still can be written as a fraction. We're looking at numbers like -3, half, 1.3. You could have 1.777777 forever. All of those are rational numbers. Then we're looking at irrational. An irrational number would be a decimal that does not repeat or end. Something like square root of 7, pi, a lot of numbers out there that are irrational. Alright, after you have those words all written down in your notes, go ahead and classify these following into the appropriate groups. At first, try to do them without looking at your notes, and then if you can't, go back and double check. Go ahead and hit pause now. There you go. 14 could be classified as a natural, a whole, an integer, and a rational. Negative square root of 16 would be an integer and a rational because it comes out to just -4. And the cube root of 90 is irrational. If you type that in on a calculator, you get a decimal that does not repeat or end. And that's it. That's everything you need to know for Chapter 1, Lesson 10, Comparing Real Numbers.